Well, hello everyone. Today's topic is the reproductive system of humans. The human reproductive system is responsible for producing, nourishing, and transporting reproductive cells, gametes, enabling fertilization, and supporting the development of offspring. It is divided into female and male reproductive system, each with distinct organs and functions that work together to facilitate reproduction. First, we are going to look at the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. The primary functions of the female reproductive systems are to produce eggs, ova, provide an environment for fertilization, support fetal development, and nourish the newborn through lactation. It also produces sex hormones such as estrogens and progesterone. First, we are going to look at the ovary. The ovary is a paired gland that produces eggs and secretes estrogen and progesterone. Next, we have the fallopian tube. This tube transports eggs from the ovary to the uterus, and fertilization usually occurs in the fallopian tubes where sperm meet an egg. Going forward, we will get to the uterus, which is a muscular organ where fertilized eggs implants and develop into a fetus. The inner lining, called the endometrium, thickens each month to prepare for possible implantation. If fertilization does not occur, the endometrium is shed during menstruation. Going down, we will get to the cervix, which is the lower, narrow part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. During childbirth, the cervix dilates to allow the baby to pass through. Going even lower will get us to the end, which is the vagina. Vagina is a muscular canal that serves as the passageway for sperm to enter the reproductive tract and for menstrual flow and childbirth. Next, we are going to look at the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of testes, scrotum, sperm duct, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, urethra, penis, and epididymis. The primary function of it is to produce, maintain, and transport sperm and seminal fluid, as well as to produce sex hormones, primarily testosterone, which is important for secondary sexual characteristics. First, let's take a look at the scrotum. Scrotum is a sac-like structure that's responsible for housing and protecting the testes and also function to regulate the temperature of the testes. Next on the list is the testes, which are located in the scrotum and produce sperm and testosterone. Inside each testis, there are seminiferous tubules and Leydig cells, which respectively produce sperm and testosterone. Moving on to the next one, we have the epididymis, which is a coil tube located on the back of each testis where sperm mature and are stored. Sperm will gain motility here and become capable of fertilizing an egg. Going forward, we'll move across the sperm duct, vas deferens. It is a muscular tube that transports sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory ducts during ejaculation. Our next stop will be at the seminal vesicle. These glands produce seminal fluid, which make up a significant 60 to 70% portion of semen. The fluid contains fructose, which provides energy for the sperm, and other substances to enhance sperm motility and viability. Going further will land us at the prostate gland. Located below the bladder, it adds a slightly alkaline fluid to semen to help neutralize the acidity of the vaginal tract, thus improving the sperm survival. Going down, and we got to the urethra, which is a passageway for urine to be expelled from the bladder and for semen to exit the body during ejaculation. And for the last part, we have the penis, which is the organ used for delivering sperm into the female reproductive tract, and during sexual arousal, it becomes erect to facilitate insertion into the vagina during intercourse. Well, that's it for this video. Goodbye and see you next time.